Here are repaired inside this Panasonic VCR DVD combo nowadays. Here it is. And it's kind of pretty different a little bit because, well, mostly this drive was been replaced from the Panasonic VCR DVD recorder, except I did replace this one. This one was actually I just repaired, but the drum head came with the VCR DVD recorder combo. And this one was taken from the broken Panasonic VCR DVD recorder combo. And this one was taken from the VCR DVD recorder combo. And this black thing right here. Originally this was supposed to be like gray, and this was supposed to be white. With this this is black instead of white. And right here, this is black instead of white right here. This is just white instead of the little glass version, whatever that is. I want to show you the other one, which is the broken one. Here's the old one. And this one, this would have been the originally, but this one is right here. It's kind of different. It's kind of the same mechanism like the VCRD record combo, which I'll show you the broken one. Show you what it looked like when I was taken. See, that's what it's taken. Okay. Yeah, this thing was different. This one was pretty different for some reason, but that's the same thing that was taken from the VCRD record combo, and yep. So finally, I just replaced it, but for some reason, this circuit one is the same as this one. Well, that's one I replaced, but the drum head was taken originally from the VCRD recorder replacement. They had to fix it and mess up the audio head and stuff like that, whatever that is. And this one works pretty good. And the ribbon wire was from taken from the broken Panasonic VCRD recorder combo. Well, except this one. This one was not taken from there. Actually, it was taken from the other same model, but yeah, that was been taken, and it works pretty good. I'll put this tape. I do have a remote with this. Fast forward. Play. Stop and fast forward. It does work pretty good nowadays. I'm gonna rewind. I respect your opinion if you hate Teletubbies, because I don't mind Teletubbies in my opinion. Well, actually, I do like the Teletubbies. So yeah. Play. Looks pretty good. RC rewind. And I worked so hard fixing this combo. I did fix that. It works pretty good. That's kind of like a random good news video. I'm just going to rewind to the beginning. reject it. Yep. I'm just gonna. Yeah. This has actually been. Yeah, it's not the same thing like where like all the different mechanisms do, because this is different and this has been replaced and it's been different actually. And it does work for some reason, yeah. Like this has been the same thing, same VCR drive that was taken from the VCR DVD recorder combo, except this one and this one, and the tray it's the one I used for. This one is from the because the tray for the VCR DVD recorder combo was broken. The plastic was broken. So yeah. Yeah, good thing. I'm glad I fixed this model combo. Well, something I did remove the inside as well, which was this thing right here I had to remove. Well, it would have worked if it's still there if I had it. Yep. So yeah. And the DVD does still work fine though. I'm just gonna put a regular DVD. I'll put this DVD in. This is a hit entertainment DVD. This DVD is not copy protection or microvision. This one does allow record on DVDs or in VHSs. And there are copy protection DVDs that are not microvision, but it cannot record on DVDs, but it does record on VHSs. But if it's a microvision, it couldn't record on VHS or DVD. So, well, except for the old VCRs that some VCRs, old VCRs, can record microvision DVDs or VHS, whatever that is. So yeah, I know mostly retail normal VHS tapes that are not microvisions aren't copy protection, except it's a quarter off. Yep. Anyways, I don't want to explain. It does work okay. I did wrote DVD video. I'm just gonna eject it. That's what that's what the menu looked like. And I'm gonna put a recorded DVD. I'm only gonna try. I do have a DVD plus or DVD minus. I'll find a DVD that was finalized. Hold on. Never mind. Oh, never mind. I think I'll be done. I'm probably done with the video. I did record DVDs though, so yeah. I do record on VHS tapes and DVDs, so yeah. Yeah, I did pretty good replacing that. Well, I did kind of broke this piece, but it's fixed, so yeah. So yeah. That was the inside of this VCR DVD recorder, the VCR DVD combo, and the model number is PV-D4745S. Thanks for watching. Peace.